Okay.
That's it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Well, folks, Merry Christmas to Budgie's Bus. Those that don't celebrate Christmas, I'd like to say happy holidays and all the rest. But to us, it's Christmas, and we'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
You had to get that bit in before
I did.
Yeah. Well, it's here again. I'd like to thank every single one of my subscribers, well, our subscribers,
Yeah, get it right.
for being with us this year. I'd like to apologise, there's not been no videos out for the last month. I've been waiting for Santa to deliver me a new ankle, but
Didn't turn up.
due to the industrial action, it's been postponed. But I don't regret it. I believe that all those that are out on strike deserve every penny they're asking for.
I do, yes.
So let's enjoy this season, and hopefully we'll be back on the road in the new year and get out and do a bit more videoing. So enjoy your holidays, enjoy this weekend, but most of all, enjoy your travelling, because motorhoming and campervanning and all the other stuff that goes in with it is the best part of life. So from Carol and I, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Catch you later. Believe me,
Bye.
it is not up. It is padding, honest.
No, it's not. Honestly,
It's not really me. So take care, folks. Enjoy your holidays, but most of all, enjoy your families. And then when we're on the road next year, we'll
take you with us.
take you with us and hopefully meet you there.
Yeah.
So, bye for us on Budgie's Bus. Catch you later on this year. Well, next year. Bye for now.
Bye.